What's up, gang? This is Damon at VoroMotors. Today, I'm going to show you how to refill the brakes on your Daytona electric scooter. Step 1, unscrew the little screw on the brake lever. Screw on the hose onto the brake lever. This hose is a very common hose. You can get it easily on Amazon or on our website for only $5. Connect the hose with a syringe. Pour the DOT oil into the brake lever. Please make sure you are using DOT grade brake oil. Do not use bicycle type of oil. Just press your levers gently. This pushes the oil down to the caliper and forces any air bubbles out of the brake line. The idea is for you to keep pumping the lever until the hose is full. That tells you that you have successfully refilled the brake lever. Now, remove the hose and reinstall the screw, and you're good to go. As a general rule, if your brake lever feels firm about halfway through its travel, your brake fluid is in good condition. But if, even after refilling, your brakes still feel weak, it's a sign your brake pads or rotors need to be replaced. If you find this video helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up and comment what tutorial you would like to see next.